I would like to welcome all of you to this session, Next Generation Air Quality Monitoring, Technologies, Communities, and Governance for Clean Air. My name is Yujeong Kim. I'm the Senior Program Management Officer at UNEP Regional Office for Asia and the Pacific. And I'm also serving as the Interim Coordinator, the Secretariat for the EANET, and it's my great pleasure to moderate this session. Well, this session serves as the Regional Awareness Workshop for the EANET, the Acid Deposition Monitoring Network in East Asia. As you may have seen in the program, the EANET will be convening its intergovernmental meeting, the 27th session of the IG meeting, tomorrow and the day after. So it's really good to see representatives of the EANET in the audience. Welcome, everybody. So in the previous sessions over the last 2 days, a lot of speakers have talked about the data gap we have. So in this session, we'll be focusing on air quality monitoring, but looking at the monitoring with different angles, such as technologies, community involvement, and governance. We're now seeing a rapid shift toward innovative monitoring approaches from low-cost sensors, satellite tools, AI-driven analytics, and community-led initiatives, and even legal innovations like Thailand's PRTR bill. So altogether, these efforts show how we can move toward cleaner air for everyone. So to officially open our session, I would like to invite Ms. Siwaporn Rungsiyanon from the Pollution Control Department of Thailand to deliver the opening remarks. And Ms. Siwaporn is a specialized expert at Thailand's Pollution Control Department, and she leads regional and national initiatives on air quality, climate-related pollution control, and international cooperation, with strong expertise in policy, technical standards, and capacity building. She also serves as Thailand's national focal point for the EANET. So please welcome Kun Siwaporn.
Thank you very much, Yujun, and good morning to everyone, both here in the room and online. So it's my honor to welcome you all to the very important and fantastic workshop today. Even I am giving opening remark, but I still have my slides, just only one. This is I just want to give an idea. We are talking about the next generation of air quality monitoring, right? So what we have to think first is what we need for the air quality monitoring. Actually, we would like to save our public health from air pollution, right? And we are now at the era of technology and innovation, right? So we are ready to move forward to have the real next generation that can answer all needed of the communities with good governance. And but technology is not just a solution, right? The more is that cooperation. That's why we come here today together to gather coordination between all of you, all stakeholders, and cross-sectoral work. This is my idea that from now on, we need the future monitoring and warning system that can take care of the community from at least science-based data, from monitoring data by the end to protect the health. That means we could have air quality situation, right? We need to know meteorological condition and also climate situation. We need to know sources, and then we need to have health care. Because the people, they got effect from air pollution, they need to know how they can protect themselves, how they can find their medication, how they can consult with the doctor, how they can find their treatment. So this is very important. And look at the technology right now that we have for air quality monitoring. We all know that there are a lot of gaps right now, right? Some countries and somewhere in this world or the region, we cannot support the expensive one, like like ground-based station, air quality monitoring station that might cost like 10 million baht per one station. But with technology, so right now we have low-cost sensor. We also have satellite data. So we need to combine all technology together, right? We have the full set of the data, and then we can do the best air quality management. And we are with EANET today, right? And Thailand is one of country participating in EANET. So I think this is a good opportunity to EANET to support where it's needed. Like, because EANET is 25 years of experience, right? Initiated by UNEP and also Japanese government. We are full of expertise on data analysis and also QA, QC. So this could be the time that EANET could help to help quality control for data platform. Like for Thailand right now, we are having problem at country base and also for transboundary, especially in Mekong sub-region. And we see a lot of gap between our Mekong sub-region. So Thailand, we try to develop a platform for Mekong sub-region, but we need some organization with full expertise like EANET to work on this. So I think this is the time that EANET could jump in and work with Mekong sub-region as well. So, okay, so I think it's almost in my mind. So let us use this workshop to imagine and shape the next generation of our air quality monitoring. And I wish all of us have a fruitful workshop and inspiring one, and bring back the idea and come back later for implementation. Thank you very much.